Charging your battery electric vehicle should match your lifestyle. Charging at home is convenient, but some drivers may rely on public charging. You'll find two types of public chargers: Level 2 public chargers and Level 3 DC fast chargers. A Level 2 public charger is recommended when you plan to stay longer at the location or need a small charge top-up. If you're on a road trip, a Level 3 DC fast charger is recommended. Under ideal conditions, such as 20-degree outside temperatures, normal battery level, or conditions, it can charge your battery from 10% or low battery light to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. Now let's see how to use them. First, you need to find a station. Canada has thousands of public charging stations, and you can locate them by using your Toyota app. Once you arrive, park close to the charger and check if and how you have to pay. While public Level 2 charging stations are free or pay-per-use, all public Level 3 charging stations require payment. The costs vary by charger type and location. If you're driving a 2026 BZ and arrive at a station with CCS1 or J1772 cables, you don't have to worry. You can purchase a Toyota Genuine adapter to make charging easy and seamless. Open your vehicle's EV charging port. Insert the connector into the inlet port. It should click into place and the indicator light will come on. If it doesn't, check if a charging schedule is set up at this time. Follow the instructions at the station to start charging. You can monitor the charging process via the app or on the multi-information display. Remember to lock your vehicle if you are stepping away while it charges so that the charging cable is secure. When the charging is complete, follow the instructions at the station to stop the process. Unlock the vehicle, disconnect the cable, and return it to the station. Like any shared resource, public chargers work best when everyone follows good etiquette. Here are a few best practices. Only park in EV stations while charging and move your car as soon as the charging is complete. To help you with that, use the Toyota app to monitor the charging status and get notified when it's complete. Respect the charging limits posted at stations and be mindful of cables. Always return them to their holder after use. Want to learn more about battery electric vehicle charging? Watch our All About Home Charging video and see how you can conveniently charge your battery electric vehicle without leaving your home. For a deeper look at battery electric vehicles and how they might fit your lifestyle, explore the other videos in this series. Learn more about Toyota's EV lineup on our electrified vehicle page.